Hello friends, my name's Ralph. Welcome to Crazy Worms. Today we're going to be working with bin number 2. Let's take a look at it and see what we've got. Ooh, I see lots of worms. The plastic is covered in worms. That's a good thing. We'll fold that up and just lay it over to the side. And I don't think anybody's going to escape from there. Okay. Well, that's a really good worm there. Really nice worm. Nice red wiggler. Let's see if we can salvage part of this paper. Oh, salvage part of it. Enough to go back in again. Let's see if we can find out where our feeding zone was at. I'm not finding a golf ball. Ah, here it is. Right in the middle. It's been 11 or 12 days since I fed, so I'm expecting the worms to be kind of spread out. Let's see if we've got anything here that resembles a worm ball. Not really. They're pretty well spread out. There's a stem off of a grape. And there's some pretty heavily populated areas right there. Lots and lots and lots of worms. Okay, let's get the rest of it aerated up good and get our feeding done here. Wow, look at all those worms. This material in this bin is ready to harvest. So today we're going to be kind of feeding over here on the side and trying to entice our worm population to move over on that side. Okay, get that piled up there. In order to help entice the worms over in that area, we're going to put a bunch of cardboard over here, cardboard paper, and we'll mix a little bit of stuff in with that just to kind of remind it that, to tell it that it is worm food. And we're going to put some water in there with it. And then we'll give it a good stir up. We don't want any standing water in the bottom. I didn't put that much water in there, so the worms will do fine in this. And this will get them moving over in this direction. We're going to feed on top of this when we're done. Get our aeration done. Move our golf ball and our paper product and stuff over here onto this side so we can finish aerating. I'm seeing lots of baby worms in here. Lots and lots and lots of worms. I'm surprised that it's not very compacted at all. I think it's been 11 days since I fed over here, and not very compact at all. Okie dokie. Let's go ahead and fix our little place here for food. Put our torn up paper in there. Lots of worms. Let's get some coffee in there. This all up. These coffee filters seem to last quite a while. I don't know if they're just extra strong or what, but it seems to be that way. All right, let's grab a food tray. We've got some cabbage and lettuce. I see a banana in there. Tear that banana up so we can kind of scatter it around a little bit. Maybe we'll tear that stem up some so it's not so everlasting. I see some tomato. I see some carrot and a couple of apple cores. All right, lots of good food in there. Let's put in a big tablespoonful of worm chow. We have to put some grit in. Remember, worms don't have a stomach like a human does. They have a set up like a chicken. So they have a gizzard. Let's go ahead and tear this paper here up and put it on top. Just shred it up and put it on top of the food and everything. And then we'll cover it up. Put our golf ball over here. Level everything else off. Put our plastic back on and call it good. Now, I do check my bins periodically throughout the week to make sure they have enough water. So if you think I'm not giving them enough water, relax. Thanks for watching. Bin number 2. I appreciate you. If you've been watching this long, you're a worm enthusiast.